Google Pixel 7 Pro is all out, even by Google itself. But there is something even more amazing Google is putting out on the table. Can you guess it right? Well, Google is out with the first impressions of Google Pixel 7 Pro, even though it is all out ahead of its time. But Google just shares the phone with the Pixel community and they just loved it. But let me tell you something more important. There are 3 lenses on the back. And if you are the one who watched till the end of the video, Google shared an unlisted video from April, which means the Pixel ads are already made while back in April, which Google shares in their end screens. Some might see it and some don't, but this is what we are getting from the Pixel 7 Pro with some interesting figures, but these are not from processor. Yes, you guys guessed it right. Google is finally going with the first actual Wear OS watch, the Pixel Watch. We didn't show it, but this watch will be launched alongside with the Pixel 7 and 7 Pro on October 6th, and pre-orders will start from the same day and the phones will hit the market on October 13. What are you expecting from Pixel 7 and 7 Pro might not be there. I mean top of the line raw performance. Instead, Google is working after a better user experience with the software. The new Tensor G2 chipset is 10% faster from last generation but far behind the competitors. But Google is improving GPU's performance by 20%, which will improve the cameras on the Google Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Google camera's huge part works on GPU, so working with the GPU performance helps the Pixel 7 get the best shot. And Google is also working with machine learning and improving it up to 35%. A big uplift from last generation, which means you guys will get a best experience with the Pixel 7 software instead of just raw performance. The price is something debatable and I have to say Google done the job here, but this time Google is going to increase the price on both Pixel 7 and 7 Pro. Last year $599 with Pixel 6 and $899 for Pixel 6 Pro, which is the best price to compete with other phones, but this time we might see some small increase in the price of both models ranging between $50 to $100. So the new price can be $699 for base model Pixel 7 and $999 for the Pixel 7 Pro. Still better than competitors where S22 Ultra is a $1,200 phone and iPhone 14 Pro Max at $1,100. A downside for people that Google may launch 2 variants of Pixel 7 Pro and 7 in the European market, 128 gigs and 256 gigs. But there is a confirmation that we might see a 512 gigs variant, although Google is not out with the numbers. The battery is quite the same as the last year 5000 mAh, but this time Google worked on power efficiency of Tensor G2 chipset, so we can say it will give a better battery backup than the last generation Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. This year for the Google is all about enhanced, no big goals to beat the performance of other Android flagships. There will be a triple camera lenses on the back, included a 50 megapixel main shooter, 12 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel telephoto. With Google's new AI enhancements, we might see some great results from Google Pixel 7 Pro cameras. The smaller Pixel 7 comes with a 6.3 inches 90Hz display and the bigger brother comes with a 6.7 inches 120Hz display, identical to what we have seen on the Pixel 6 and 6 Pro. If you want to have a closer look at the Pixel 7 Pro, then you can check this unboxing video of Pixel 7 Pro, which is surprising. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.